Our other top story tonight, we could be just days away now from 5 to 11-year-olds getting the Pfizer vaccine. Final approval from the CDC could come as soon as next week after an FDA panel gave the green light today.
So what will the rollout look like here in the Bay Area? And what are top doctors saying? KPIX5's Cid Medina has some answers for us.
I'm hoping that this is kind of the final frontier of when we go back to normal life.
3 out of 3 Bay Area doctors say they understand why parents are hesitant about getting their young kids vaccinated against COVID. But all also agree the risks of COVID outweigh the risks of the vaccine.
Most people have really said from the beginning of the pandemic that children don't get sick, they don't get infected, or they don't spread. And those things are absolutely wrong. We've had kids in our hospital who have been really sick, on ventilators, on life support, children who've died.
Dr. Yvonne Maldonado says right now Stanford's Children's Hospital is partnering with school districts to hold town halls to change that narrative. A narrative she says even some on the FDA panel today still believe.
And I think that's a mistake. They're used to seeing, hundreds of thousands of adults dying. And so to them, if a few hundred kids die, it's not a big deal. It is a big deal. And so they say, well, there's a low risk. Well, if 500 children die of something that's preventable, that's unacceptable.
Bay Area County health departments are already preparing. Marin County announced it plans to vaccinate 15,000 children the first month shots are available. But the doctors say for hesitant parents, pediatricians will be key to changing their minds.
Pediatricians are the most trusted member of the medical community to parents of a child. But I have an 11-year-old granddaughter in this age group. I'm biting at the bit to get her vaccinated.
Dr. Monica Gandhi says she plans to also get her 11-year-old son vaccinated, especially before holiday gatherings.
I think they want to go back to total normal in school and life. It's kind of a ticket to normalcy.
Yeah, Maria, one of the concerns the FDA panel brought up is a concern a lot of parents and grandparents have, the risk of myocarditis or an inflamed heart in children from getting the vaccine. It's very rare, but did any of the doctors you were able to talk with say anything about that?
Yeah, as you said, it is very rare. Dr. Swartzberg says there is a greater risk of getting myocarditis from the virus than there is from getting the vaccine. But as you know, that there are other heart conditions involved with COVID. Nonetheless, health experts will be watching this very closely.
No question. Cid Medina reporting live. Thank you.